The lower guard assembly consists of the plastic guard, the mounting plate, and the pivot bearing. The guard receives lots of wear and abuse. Damage to the plastic portion of the guard is the most common reason that the lower guard is replaced. It is not uncommon for the guard to be cracked or broken by accidentally hitting it with a workpiece. Replacing the lower guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old lower guard. There's a spacer on the linkage. I want to be careful not to lose it. As I remove the guard, I want to be careful to not lose the spring. With the lower guard removed from the saw, now I can go ahead and remove the linkage. And again, be careful not to lose the spacer. Now I can install the new guard. First, I'll transfer the bumper from the old guard to the new. Now I'll reinstall the linkage. First the spacer, then the linkage, and I secure it with the washer and the screw. Now I can reinstall the guard. I'll place the spring over the hook on the guard. I'll place the guard around the blade, and as I bring it up, I'll hook the spring to the tab on the housing. With the guard in place on the saw, I'll secure it with the hub and the screw. I want to make sure that the bearing that's attached to the linkage sits on top of the block on the upper guard. I'll place the spacer against the saw housing, place the link over the spacer, and then secure it with the washer and screw. And now you know how to install a new lower guard on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.